to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, this car here, the engine computer is bad. That's the engine computer. We get one brand new from the dealer, and we are using SPS2, SPS1, SPS2 with TechLine Connect, as you see here. Be sure your laptop is fully charged, or at least charger is connected. And I am using any approved pass-through device, J2534. I am using this one here, and this is good. I have no problem with it at all. Okay, the computer is located there. Be sure you have a charger. You see under the car there, I have a charger, a smart charger to charge the car. And just wait. This module here, because it's a little bit older, it may take some time. It may take some time before I finish programming it, but it looks like it's okay now. So we're gonna wait for this time to finish. After that, some of the car may need to do that security. Some of them, it will pick up the security automatically. Either way, if you need it, we're gonna do it. If it's not, it's okay. Also, don't forget that the car may need to have a crankshaft relearn, and that you need to use other tools to do it. Stay with us. Okay, now we are going to do this here, and we wait for 36 seconds to see the approved signature. Then we take it from there, and we're gonna turn the key off, on, and see if the car is start. If the car is start, then we tune it up. We do all the tuning. Ignition cycle. It cycle one time, and this is the approve of. Okay, later, and they say that you may need to have crankshaft position variation learn procedure using a special function on take 2 may be needed after programming, and refer to the service manual DTC P1336 P0515. Okay, let me do something. Turn the key off now. Wait a little bit. If it's not, you continue to do the security. And this may apply for almost all cars. Let's take the key out. Don't forget to clear all the DTC. Clear the DTC. Clear successfully. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can start it. Oh. Débrancher le chargeur. Débrancher le chargeur. Débrancher le chargeur. On va laisser le véhicule parce qu'on voudrait faire le crankshaft relearn. I am shutting down the system. The next step is to do the crankshaft relearn, I believe. So I'm going to use another machine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. The location of the engine computer is here. This is the computer location. Those are the coils. Est-ce qu'on n'a pas pris un relais ici? On a remplacé ça. Il y a des relais, il y a des choses qui sont... On a pris ça avant. Attends, peut-être ça à l'intérieur. Là où on a mis. Vérifiez là où on a mis. Ok, on va mettre.